Oh, oh, oh. What's up, everybody? So this is our Traxxas X-maxx. Probably one of the most durable cars you can get right out the box. However, it still has some weak spots. The outdrives like to snap off, so we've put some reinforcing points on there. The hinge pins like to pop out, so certain places you have to put these, either the Sen or the RPM hinge pins on. The centre drive shaft likes to bend. There is a mod you can do to that. We have done it to ours, not had any issues since then. And I'll put a link up above to the video where you can see that being done. And the stock gears are made of Swiss cheese, so get some GDS gears in there as soon as you can. But probably the biggest gripe anyone has about this car is the bearings on the front and the rear wheels, the inner bearings. They're just too small for the size of this truck. They break down very quickly, the shields pop out. Now RPM came out with some rear hubs, which took much bigger bearings. I mean, just look at the size difference there, guys. RPM also came out recently with some hubs to do the front bearings as well. We did get some of those, and I've had to take them off because, quite frankly, they're rubbish. Firstly, we had to grind it down to make it fit. But then the other issue with them, and you can see that there was a hole there once, and this has happened on both of them, and that one there. And effectively what's happening is that because RPM plastic is quite flexible, it's flexing here. And as it flexes here, the pin pulls out. Then when it pops back in, it doesn't go all the way back in. So it starts mushing down the plastic here until the point where it can't go in anymore. Then the pin pops out. It rips out the little cup here that holds it all in. And before you know where you are, the pins are hitting the wheels. Great idea, RPM. Sadly, it's a massive foul. They are quite expensive. I wouldn't bother. If you've got them on there, take them off, check them out. Now, the good news is that Traxxas have brought out their own version of new hubs. The 7737X, which does take the much bigger bearings. Same size bearings that go in the RPM bearings. So if you've got those RPM hubs, these fit straight in. These are just new out, so we're going to get them on this truck and then take it out for a rip. Remember, guys, if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, you've got to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell. There we have it. Get the body on, get it out for a rip. Hey, where are we, Jack?
Sandy. Oh, no, look.
The whole crew is out today, big gathering today. So we've got Claire's RC, Reva RC, Kevin, Dan's Bearded RC, load of us here today. And we're just going out, 2 cars today, the X-maxx, and we're sporting the new hubs. See how they get on today. And Jack is out with his Grahave EXB. Kev's got his noisy one out.
Oh, Tony, can you sort of noisy one's out, yeah.
Ear muffler's out, guys. The Xmaxx is doing well. Can't see it though. Gonna turn round. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I've got the walk of shame. That was the hard Oh, the walk of shame. Oh, the unmistakable sound of an armadillo. I think, I'm going to say it quietly so don't move. I think Kev's hungry. We got a doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh, you got to do a wee-wee on Claire. Do a wee-wee on Claire. Jack, you did it off film again.
I told you to film.
Off camera, nosedived it. Not too much damage, but split the front back tray. Luckily, we have spares of those at home. No real damage, but we won't be doing front landings because we don't want to naff these nice new lipos that we had to get after the big rock crash. That's why the body is trash. Jack is the body killer. Oh, my poor body. Oh, 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 the Xmaxx are taking it. Oh, dangerous. Oh, Jack is on a mission. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, give it a little kick. Get footed. Oh, that's the arm. Oh, top and bottom. Top and bottom. Damn. Oh, you're pinned. And Jack, if you do that, guess what you're doing?
I don't know.
You're carrying it back.
Driving now, free-wheel drive, isn't it?
That's like a right Robin. 3 wheels on my wagon. Oh, oh.
That'll be the second one to be carried home as well, won't it?
Backflip off this tree though, Jack. Oh! 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 Ooh! Those hubs are holding up, I think.
Did I break it?
No, I think you're holding up. Can't park there, sir. Oh, sorry. Jack's having a go, clearing the ends.
Fanny van.
Fan van.
Fanny. After last night's live stream, it's a fanny van.
Oh, that's jumping nice. It's the 18. Oh, taking the danger zone. Get the footage. Oh. Oh. Did it take it?
Yeah, took it.
Oh, Xmaxx, tough baby. What are you?
Destroyer.
Destroyer. Where's your hardcore merch?
At home.
No good at home. Let's show off the merch. Check out the merch link below, guys.
Got to wear it.
Get your merch. Oh, I got some merch over here. Dan's Bearded RC Adventures. Oh. Sure, he's trying to take me out. Oh. Can it take much more? Can it take much more abuse? So Jack keeps failing to jump off of that jump. So I'm going to see if I can jump it any better than Jack. What do you think, Jack?
No, no chance.
We might be carrying it back now. What do we think about it?
I'm a better driver. What did you do?
I don't know. Body off, life out.
Heat sink off.
Heat sinks off as well, is it?
On.
Well, maybe I won't jump that one again. Teenagers on their phones. Quick text, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. What else we got? What have I missed? Have I missed anything? Don't want any girls? Girlies? Okay guys, we've been out. We've given the Xmaxx some real abuse with those new Traxxas hubs at the front. They don't break. They're fantastic.
What are they?
They're fantastic.
Hooray. What are we going to say?
Like, subscribe, notifications, everything guys. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.